This is spaced off the wall to bring the TV flush with the surrounds, the recessed surround. So I've got 2 spacers for each bolt. 50mm M8 bolt and 3 washers. Mil from there down to the bottom. It is about that. So that is my back plate already on the wall. So you can see there it's on a MDF and wood. It's recessed, so there's a big recess that wants to be equal distance around the TV. There's a hole there for the One Connect lead to go through. And I've got the bits inside for the rest to connect to. Also left and right wall speakers. So they're monitor audio LCR speakers, WT50s I think, 5 beneath, and round to the side, One Connect box in there, with a Yamaha amp, Sky Q and Blu-ray. You can see all the cables we've put in for the speakers and so on first fix. And then to the ceiling, Dolby Atmos set up for the ceiling speakers there, so 4 effectual ceiling speakers. Focus, and left and right rears as well. So I've threaded my One Connect cable through that wall. That is the TV end, which I'll plug in a moment. Look closely back at the TV so we can see that bracket standing off there, about 30mm between the bracket and the back of the TV. So we'll connect my One Connect lead first, I hope. Slide to make sure we're on. I'll pull the One Connect cable down. It's everywhere. Plastic away. Still got the plastic on there. If I just look at the back, I'll tip that up. So I've got aerial in, figure 8 mains, wide data, Sky Q, HDMI 2 is Blu-ray, HDMI 3, that's coming from the Yamaha AV receiver, that's EARC. I don't know if I can see over them, so we can see the labels. One connect lead into there. Okay, and that's the Dolby Atmos or Dolby Digital Plus AV receiver. A bit dusty in here. That's where you can see our first fixed cables that come in. Okay, so batteries in the remotes quickly. The smart remote. Travel A batteries. Standard remote. More Travel A batteries. Cool. Thank you.
Honourable gentleman requests, but of course
Standard picture settings, try a bit of YouTube.
We'll soon be asked to make a decision on the future of the lockdown, so the earlier we get that information, the better.
Excess deaths.
Stadium in Singapore, they take on the Italian champions, Juventus. Spurs include the likes of Dele Alli, Heung-min Son, and Antonio Alderweireld in their starting 11. Juventus versus Tottenham Hotspur, a fixture many in his kind of area. Heung-min Son for Spurs. Can't swoop it in terms of form from that moment on. It's a Mandzukic great ball, and he directed it to the corner. And those two working again. 4-on-3 here for Spurs. Son, well laid off, and Buffon makes a fine save. He's coming in by Eric Lamela. Troy Parrott denied on the first attempt, but Lamela was there to beat Buffon. Spurs have been the better team, and on the half hour, they lead Juventus. The foul to be on the edge of the penalty area. We play on. I believe it was. And Pjanic, Higuain, well worked, Higuain buries it, and he is a true finisher, and he's done it against Tottenham Hotspur before the Juventus show. The man back from Chelsea has made it Juventus. And brilliant work again by Walker Peters.
He was excellent in terms of his hold-up play. I can see him being there was an opportunity here.
Kane, what a goal! What a goal to win it! Szczesny's caught out. Harry Kane has scored the goal of this tournament. That is extraordinary.
NHS staff and care workers about how they've coped during the pandemic. There is concern that many of them have suffered burnout under the strain.
Okay, so quickly to the sound, it should tell me Dolby Digital Plus.
Joins us now. Vic, thanks for being with us. Just tell us about how care staff have coped with this COVID.
Dolby Atmos compatibility.
Health and Care Select Committee were focusing on burnout and including social care staff in that, because they have they've had enormous amounts of pressure
standard for the
during
moment.
the COVID crisis, and of course it's important
That is
to remember that they've also